Good morning from the Polynesian. It's 10 o'clock, so not quite morning still, but close enough. I am heading over to the Magic Kingdom to see if they have any of the new Frozen Doonies. So they released online, but 2 of them were said pre-order. So I don't know if they'll actually have them in the parks at all. Maybe not. The only one that wasn't pre-order was the wallet, so we'll see. But either way, I want to grab an ornament. Squirrel! Hi! Oh goodness! Disney squirrel. So yeah, we're just gonna go poke around. I may also look for an umbrella in Magic Kingdom because today and tomorrow are supposed to be very rainy. So if we want to do anything tomorrow, I gotta have a poncho or an umbrella. So yeah, it's another cloudy day. I think we have barely seen the sun this trip, which is not so bad because it's not hot. I'll take it. Off to the monorail. On my way to the Magic Kingdom. I thought about taking the boat, but it's very windy today. There's the tropical storm. Tropical storm is blowing through tonight and it's on its way. So took the monorail. It's a safer bet. Oh my god. I'm walking up to Magic Kingdom. It's already raining. The heck? It's not supposed to start till 2. It's just a little drizzle right now, so hopefully stays that way. Ugh, it's so annoying. Merry Christmas, everybody, from the Magic Kingdom. Christmas is my favorite time of year here at Magic Kingdom. I love it every time. It's just so cheerful. It's a busy morning. Man, it's not a party day, so it's gonna be busy here today. So I'm only here to shop a little and can head back to the hotel. Can always count on Columbia Harbor House to have IBS safe foods. So just a grilled salmon, rice and beans, and a Diet Coke. I always love sitting upstairs at Columbia Harbor House where it's nice and quiet. It's very peaceful and I love it. Oh my gosh, so I have a desk return fine for Haunted Mansion. The line currently goes to the loading platform for the Liberty Bell for standby. This is bonkers. So we'll see what the lightning lane looks like, but oh my god.
Mortals to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host.
I really don't need a soap dispenser, but this is incredible. Oh my gosh, I really love this like a lot. I may have to buy that for my bathroom. Oh, it's so good. I really like this dish towel too. This stuff is so cute. Always do love the Liberty Bell. I'm not going to ride it today. I don't want to risk being on something that lasts a long time just with my stomach being unpredictable. Lunch was really good and it settled very well. We do have California Grill tonight at 7:15 right before fireworks, so I really don't want to miss it. Their menu seems pretty dairy free for the most part, so I think I should be able to handle it pretty well as long as I don't get anything with dairy or fried. So they got like a sushi roll in the appetizer and lots of good just basic proteins for dinner. So yeah, oh my god, it's so busy here today. This is the only weekday this week without a party and it is packed. I'm gonna try to do Big Thunder Mountain. I have a DAS Pass return time for and then I'm probably gonna head out. These crowds are no joke. And it's supposed to start raining at 2. So Mom just texted me she had lunch at the pool bar with our favorite pool bartender, Murph. And so she's heading back to the room now. So I'll meet her there in just a little while. But first, Big Thunder Mountain. Yeehaw! They're still working on the retheme of Splash Mountain over to Tiana's Bayou. It's pretty cool. You can see a pretty close-up work, the status. Very cool. I'm excited for this to reopen again. I'm excited to see what the new Tiana theme is like. It's gonna be a lot of fun, I bet. Yeah, also Big Thunder was fantastic. Yay. And back to the resort.
One of the newest additions to the Disney Vacation Club.
Hey, boy, it's a busy night at California Grill. We just got our text that our table is ready. We requested a window table, so we'll see if that's what we get. We shall see. Hi, doing good. Yay. One time.
One time. And it was amazing.
So we're back. Yes, ma'am. Lemon blueberry drop martini. I just like licked this whole rim. It's so good.
That worked for you.
Yum.
I know, I said she doesn't have one crumb.
I have one crumb.
All the crumbs.
I have at least 2 crumbs.
Oh, okay.
McBride Sisters. Beautiful. Cool. Thank you. That's fine. Cheers. There we go. Cheers. Yay, yum. Also, they gave us sourdough bread, and then it's like an olive oil with tomatoes and other herbs, and also salted butter over there. Yum. Just waiting for fireworks. They're going to be in 10 minutes.
Wow.
Ooh, Mom got a goat cheese ravioli with a tomato broth and shiitake mushrooms. Looks great. And I got a rainbow roll. I love my sushi. It's got, well, it looks like cilantro on top, so Sean would hate it. Oh man, I'm in a sushi mood. Masses coming in from outside. A lot of people. Thank you. Mom and I got the same thing. We got the grilled filet. Oh, it smells so good with butternut squash. Oh, and a squash puree. Smells delicious. Oh my god, I got the kids dessert because it's Baymax, and she said normally they only get 1 Baymax, but because I'm a big kid, I get 2 Baymax. And Mom got the chocolate tort. That's beautiful. Wow. Gorgeous. Nice.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yay, yeah. Oh boy, Baymax. Just want to show the inside of my Baymax. It's like a chocolate ganache. It's delicious. It's so good. Yum. Oh my god. Baymax. He's so cute. Heading out of California Grill. Wow. It's a big restaurant when you think about it. I was glad we got a table that was so close to the windows for the fireworks. It was great. Here at the Contemporary Gift Shop, they have Kingdom Hearts pins. Check that out. You don't see very much Kingdom Hearts merchandise anywhere. Huh. Very cool. I found this little Noemo. Found a Noemo. Yay, I haven't seen this guy anywhere. The rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. Very cute. Contemporary is a cute hotel. I wouldn't stay here. It's too chaotic for me. Hey, and look, our monorail's here. Yay, taking us back to the Polynesian. Dinner was fantastic. I was so super thrilled with my Baymax dessert. Any restaurant that lets me order anything kids off the kids menu is A+. Also, it was delicious.